Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and by the end of this video you like what you watched, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. In this video I'll be showing you how to pre-stretch your hairpiece before braiding. This is done to prevent unraveling of the braided hair and for it to last longer. This is how it looks like when it is not pre-stretched. The hairpiece I'm stretching is a bit long and has more volume, so I will go ahead and divide it by 2 so that it does not tangle. And also it will be easier for me to handle it. To start stretching the hair, I will hold the hairpiece with one hand slightly firm, but allowing me to pull some hair ends. You will notice that I'm not creating long ends. That is because the hairpiece is already a bit long, so stretching it too much might cause tangling. But if you want long ends, you may pull a bit more. I will continue pulling the hair ends or stretching them until it does not look like there was some cutting down. The next step is to hold the hairpiece in the middle, then comb it with my fingers until there is no tangling. Then I will move to the other side and stretch it as well. I will then comb it with my fingers to ensure that there is no tangling, and you may also lose some hairpiece with the tangling. Here I'm going to repeat the same method on the other half. When I'm done, I will combine the two and comb them together with my fingers. After that, I'll be done with the prepping of the hair and ready to start braiding. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe so that you can see more content from me. And please give me a thumbs up. And please do not forget to comment and tell me what you would like to see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.